Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how you can get daily Cipher on Hamster. That is 1 million. So when you log in at your homepage, you can click daily Cipher. It will take you to the right side. So you need to write some word to get 1 million. So as you all know, just like every day, I will write it on your screen. Then you can easily understand me, or you can join my channel. You can join my WhatsApp group or Telegram group. To start it, you need to dot dash, that is hold dot. If is coming, then you hold, then O is coming, then you hold, then M is coming. The last one, hold, M is coming. So by now you get 1 million coin. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, like it, and share it to your friends too.